When I work with marketing teams to help them create video content plans, one of the biggest struggles is getting everyone's ideas together and organized so they can see what content needs to be created, where it will be published, and how often. This year, I discovered a new tool, and I wanted to share with you how I use it to help content creators organize their ideas, get on the same page, and create a sustainable system so content works for their business. The tool is Airtable, and I've been using it for several months to help clients map out their video content calendars. In this video, I'll show you a few simple ways I use it to help organizations take action. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Cheryl Tan, the founder of Master Video Today. It's a community that offers training, accountability, and support for your marketing teams. Subscribe to this channel for video strategies you can use in your business right now. Click the subscribe button and the bell, and you won't miss a thing. What tools do you use to help organize your video content? Do you use spreadsheets, paper, another online tool? I'd love to hear what is working for you. If you would like a simple guide that takes you step by step to get started with your video equipment setup, your studio design, your lighting, I'll tell you how you can get my Getting Started with Video guide at the end of this video. Let's go straight into Airtable, which is an online platform that really levels up the simple spreadsheet. Right now, I'm only using the free version. So after you watch this video, you can see for yourself if this will work for you and your team. I'll put a link you can use in the description below. So when I go and create a new base, which I can right here in Airtable, it gives me the option to start with a template or start from scratch. And really, while the templates are very pretty to look at, I actually prefer to start from scratch and create what I need. So I'm going to title this base something useful, video content plan. And once I do that, you'll notice that there are things that are pre-populated, and I actually like to delete these first because I like to create what I need as I go along. The thing I like about Airtable is it allows you to help with the three stages of video content production: pre production, production, and post production. So you're handling all of the content curation and the content ideas. You're figuring out when the content will be shot. And then you're also putting on this spreadsheet slash database when and where this content will be published. And you can see it all in one place. And that to me makes it really, really useful. I'm first going to name this table and call it something very simple, like video content ideas. Not great as we're calling the whole thing the video content plan, but here you get the point. You can continue to add tables as maybe you have different lines of service you're trying to promote, but we're going to go here and just very simply name this video content ideas. And this first column right here, and very simple, video topics. I'm actually going to populate these columns now so you can see the power of Airtable and the different things that it can do. So I'm going to add team members, and then we can add some dates, like when we're going to shoot this video, when we're going to publish, and where it is going. Very simple, it seems, but what makes it so useful is the different things you can do once you get your rows and your columns established. So let's think up some topics, and we'll go into the fitness space, for example, and thinking about the start of the year and some of the topics that might be really useful for a business creating video content. Could be something like 3 healthy foods to start your day. That could be something. 6 weight loss ideas for busy families. Okay, that's not a great title, but you get the gist. How to eat better. Make that even better. How to eat better while traveling with the family. Okay, so those are just some topic ideas. You have 4 ideas right here. It could be one video a month that you create. And right now, if you take a look at this drop down on the right, you can see as I customize it, it's just a single line of text, which is all I need. But you can see I have in this column put the word script. And once you click the drop down and customize field type, you can make it a longer piece of text. And actually, this is new. You can enable rich text formatting and put bullet points. So if you wanted to double click in here and type, we'll see, for the script, what are 3 healthy foods? How about eggs? And I'm not in the health industry. Let's go with milk and bread. Okay, that I'm sure is not right. But you can see as you type things into the column and you make sure that the rich text formatting is clicked on, then you'll have a list of things in your box right there. And so what I love about this too is if you go here under row height, you can make these extra tall. And then you can see right here all the things that you wrote in the script box. Here, for team members, let's say we are giving this task of finishing the video, of shooting and editing and publishing to one person. You can click on Customize Field Type and put in a single select. And so in single select, you can add an option. You can put John, you can put Paul, Elizabeth, you can put Sarah. And click Save under Single Select. And for the team members, you can put John, Paul, Elizabeth, or Sarah. So let's put Elizabeth there as the person responsible for making this piece of content go from 0 to published. For shoot date, we're going to click again on this caret that goes down and pick date under Customized Field Type. You can see right here is the date and hit Save. We're going to do the same thing for publish date because that's going to be a date as well. Customize field type and click on date and hit Save. And so let's make the shoot date sometime in August. So all I'm doing is typing 08 for August. Let's make it the 31st. We're going to shoot it that day. And then let's make the publish date someday in November. So hit 11, you can see November, November 3rd, we'll put it right there. And then we figure out where we're going to publish. Let's do the drop down. And what we can do here is customize the field type and do a multiple select. So what that means is you can put different options in one box. So I can put Facebook here, Facebook group, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube. Okay, so I'm going to put those different options there. And now when I click the plus, I can put Facebook, I can put YouTube, and I could put LinkedIn. And the reason I really like this is it sets it out in a grid, but then watch this. Let's do the publish date for the other 3 pieces of content. So let's say 11 was on the 3rd. Let's make it the 10th. 11/17, and then 11/24. And so those 4 dates, you plan to have these pieces of content published on whatever platforms you decide. So let's make it Facebook. Let's make it Facebook for the rest of them here. And what you can do now is you click on the calendar button, and we're going to choose publish date. This is the publish date that we want to see the dates for. Click done. And once we go to November, we can see that these pieces of content are scheduled for every day or every Wednesday in November. You can check on the status of that, right? You can see if Elizabeth or John or Paul or Sarah, whoever was assigned to that task, was able to get that work accomplished and finished and ready to go for those dates for Facebook or for LinkedIn or for YouTube. And that is the power of having this simple grid to kind of see where everything goes. You can name it something special here too, so it doesn't confuse you. So publish date, video content, there you have it. So something you can create pretty simply, pretty easily for you and your team and your video content plan. Let me know if this quick tutorial was helpful. If you would like more ways to use a tool like this for your business, type in Airtable in the comments below. Now that you have a content plan, you may decide it's a good time to get your home or office studio ready. You can find the link to my Getting Started with Video guide in the description below. Looking for ways to improve your on-camera presence? Check this out next.